The pandemic accelerated an already growing societal crisis that cuts across millions of people's work and home lives. Major depressive disorder. There are 300 million people worldwide living with depression, making it the #1 cause of disability, with $1 trillion lost in productivity. Worst of all, those suffering from depression are at a far, far greater risk of suicide. And even the best current medicines leave many patients feeling that they simply aren't themselves and are unable to fully experience life the way they wish to. For millions, even the best treatments today just aren't good enough. Depression is a mainstream, everyday problem, and it deserves a mainstream, everyday solution. Eleusis is working to make this solution a reality. The potential of psychedelics as a drug therapy has in recent years been hailed as a revolutionary clinical mental health breakthrough and may offer a different approach to managing depression than conventional antidepressants.
At Eleusis, we're developing new psilocybin-based therapies that we believe could fully integrate into the modern insurance-supported healthcare system. University research has shown encouraging evidence of safety and efficacy for psychedelics in a clinical context, and they may also be free of the side effects and personality-muting effects of conventional antidepressants.
But up to this point, despite the promise, there has been limited progress in developing a formulation and method of delivery that is practical for millions of people to benefit from this new application of psychedelics. Recently completed third-party clinical trials of psilocybin tested a one-size-fits-all approach in which patients underwent a 6-hour treatment session monitored by multiple medical staff with a formulation that made it difficult to manage dosing. Patients showed benefits, but the overall approach has severe limitations from a time, cost, and care delivery perspective. Simply put, we believe the world is only halfway to this new potential medicine.
Eleusis aims to change this and truly transform psychedelics into modern medicines. The Eleusis team has focused on inventing a more practical solution designed to address the issues around making these compounds more convenient, personalized, and affordable. At Eleusis, we've been preparing for this moment for almost a decade. Our lead drug candidate is ELE-Psilo, a second-generation class of psilocybin designed to be administered through a 20-minute IV infusion, with the potential to offer a consistent, controlled, and convenient experience for patients.
In developing ELE-Psilo, we hope to eliminate the variability associated with oral formulations of psilocybin and thereby ensure that each patient would receive the appropriate dose when they are treated.
With this approach, we not only aim to offer a safer treatment strategy, but one that is more broadly accessible.
We are aiming ultimately to provide patients with a shorter and more predictable treatment experience.
We're developing ELE-Psilo to be administered in as little as 2 hours.
I really believe ELE-Psilo could accelerate the transformation of psychedelics into practical medicines. When I started my research career more than 50 years ago, I never could have imagined where we would be now. And frankly, I'm very excited about how fast things are moving forward.
Welcome to the clinical evolution of psychedelics. Welcome to Eleusis.